Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to rotate page on Canva in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to change page orientation on Canva, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To rotate a page or change orientation on Canva, first of all, open the Canva app on your computer or go to the Canva website. Once you're on Canva, create a new design or open an existing one. I am going to change the orientation of this design. Now, click on Resize at the top left of the editor toolbar. This feature is only available for Canva Pro users. For free users, you need to change it manually by copying and pasting content into a new design with the desired size. A pop-up appears with different options. You can either choose a size from the given suggestions or set a custom size. Click on Custom Size to set your own width and height for your design. Here you'll see your current design's width and height. To switch between portrait and landscape orientation, swap the width and height values. You can also choose page orientation from here. Now, click on the Resize this design button. Your design will now appear in the new orientation.